Hello, and a warm welcome to Dr. Ruth's Health Haven, where we talk openly, kindly, and truthfully about the health issues that are most important to you. I'm Dr. Ruth, and I'm so glad to be your guide today. We're going to explore a topic that is often hidden away, especially for older men, but one that can deeply affect your wellness, your energy, and even how long you live. Yes, today we're looking into the surprising health benefits of masturbation for men over 60. This is a no-judgment area, a place for facts, science, and taking control of your health. If you've ever felt uncertain, awkward, or even guilty about this subject, you are not alone. But you also have a right to clear answers, self-assurance, and the freedom to live well. So, if you care about aging with strength, pride, and energy, please take a second to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below about what healthy aging means to you. Your voice helps this community expand, and your health is worth discussing. Let's get going. Why this matters more than ever. As we get older, what's important to us changes. We want to feel good in our own skin. We want sharp minds, healthy hearts, and the power to live life with confidence. And while we usually talk about the big three, diet, exercise, and sleep, there's one strong, natural, and science-supported practice that's often missing from the discussion. Masturbation. Yes, it's a personal topic, but it's also a totally normal, biological, and potentially life-improving part of healthy aging. Today, I'll walk you through 4 major benefits, clear up some wrong ideas, share a real patient story, and give you useful, safe tips you can use to support your long-term health. Starting today, Benefit 1, heart health and blood flow. Let's start with your heart, the engine of your whole body. Heart disease is one of the biggest worries for men over 60. But here's what many don't know. Sexual activity, including masturbation, is good for your heart. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine followed over 900 men and found that regular sexual activity was linked to lower blood pressure and a smaller chance of heart attack. Here's why. Masturbation gently raises your heart rate, much like light exercise. It improves blood flow, helping blood travel smoothly through your arteries. And during orgasm, your body releases endorphins and oxytocin, which lower cortisol, the stress chemical connected to inflammation and heart disease. So, when you take part in regular, healthy sexual activity, you're not just easing stress, you're actually feeding your heart. It's one of the most caring things you can do for your body. Benefit 2, prostate protection. Next, let's talk about your prostate, that small but powerful gland located just below your bladder. As men age, the prostate becomes prone to issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. But here's some encouraging news. A major study from Harvard Medical School, published in 2016, found that men who ejaculated 21 or more times per month had a 31% lower chance of getting prostate cancer than those who ejaculated less often. Why? The idea is straightforward. Ejaculation works like a cleanse for the prostate, helping to flush out potentially damaging materials and reduce swelling. Masturbation, of course, counts. It's not a magic fix, but it's a simple, natural way to look after one of the most sensitive organs in a man's body. Let me share a quick story. I once worked with a patient, let's call him Henry, a 69-year-old retired truck driver. He came to me after his PSA levels had slowly gone up. He was worried and upset. We talked about lifestyle changes, including his sexual activity, which had fallen a lot since losing his partner. After making small changes, including bringing back solo sexual touch and pelvic exercises, his next blood test showed steady PSA levels and better sleep. I didn't think something so easy could have such an effect, he told me, but I feel like I'm back in sync with my body again. And that's what this is about, connection, not performance. Benefit 3, emotional and mental well-being. Let's be honest, aging isn't just about the body, it's about the mind and the spirit too. Masturbation can be a powerful tool for mental health. It triggers the release of dopamine for motivation and pleasure, endorphins, natural pain and stress fighters, and serotonin, which lifts your mood and helps control sleep. In fact, a 2018 review published in Sexual Medicine Reviews found that older adults who kept an active sexual life showed better brain function, lower rates of feeling down, and improved emotional strength. Feeling connected to your body at any age helps fight back against isolation, loneliness, and that persistent feeling of slowing down. You're not slowing down, you're changing, and that change deserves support, not silence. Benefit 4. Pelvic floor strength. You may not think about your pelvic floor, but I promise you, it's thinking about you. This group of muscles controls your bladder, supports your prostate, and plays a part in sexual performance. As you age, the pelvic floor can get weaker, leading to urinary leakage, erectile troubles, and poor bladder control. Here's the good news. Masturbation works these muscles, giving them a gentle workout. It's like a natural form of pelvic floor therapy, especially when paired with Kegel exercises, which I highly suggest. Try this. Squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for 5 seconds. Let go. Repeat 10 times. Do this twice daily, and over time, you'll notice better control, more confidence, and improved function. Now let's tackle some old myths that might be holding you back. Myth number 1, masturbation is only for young people. Wrong. Your sexual identity doesn't disappear with age, it changes. It deserves just as much care and respect at 70 as it did at 30. Myth number 2, masturbation causes weakness or memory loss. There's absolutely no scientific proof for this. These ideas come from cultural shame, not real medicine. Myth number 3, it harms relationships. Actually, when done with open communication, solo activity can complement and improve intimacy, not replace it. Practical tips for healthy sexual aging. Here are 5 ways to bring this conversation from talk to action. Listen to your body. There's no perfect number. Once a day, once a week, do what feels healthy and not forced for you. Create a safe space. Your surroundings matter. Soft lighting, calm music, a locked door. These small things help lower anxiety and make the experience better. Use body-safe tools. Choose lubricants that are gentle, unscented, and made for sensitive skin. If you're unsure, ask your doctor. Pair with healthy habits. Eat prostate-friendly foods like tomatoes, walnuts, and leafy greens. Move your body. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. These all work together to keep you strong. Talk to your doctor. If you notice changes in your sex drive, erectile function, or feel any discomfort, please don't suffer alone. Help is available, and answers are often simple. A final word on shame and taking back your power. Here's what I want you to remember today. There is no shame in caring for your body at any age. Masturbation isn't just a physical act, it's a statement that you are still here, still full of life, still human, and worthy of pleasure, connection, and happiness. I've seen patients in their 70s and 80s come alive again, not from medicine, not from surgery, but from reclaiming a part of themselves that had been buried under guilt or quiet. You deserve more than quiet. You deserve wellness. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message made sense to you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone you care about. The more we talk about this, the more we make it normal, and the more we help men flourish, not just get by. Tell me in the comments, what's one health topic you'd love for me to cover next? Or what's your own tip for aging well? Your insight builds this community, and I can't wait to read your words. This is Dr. Ruth signing off with one final reminder. Your body is not past its prime. It's still your home. Love it, care for it, and let it amaze you. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.